What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Key Orion, the man who is obsessed with making great music. And you know what? Let's just jump into it. I wanna make this beat. I wanna remake this beat. This was super cool. First, we're gonna find the BPM. I just like that bop, so I'm just gonna steal these drums because that's what we do. Teaching how to steal around here. So let's see what we're working with. It's cool. We're just a kind of a thumpy kick. Hey, that works for me. Thumpy kick. That's just a rad beat. I like that a lot. Okay, and so actually we're gonna come in here and now let's see. I think it's just straight hi-hats. What kind of snare are they using? I always try to like listen to what they're using and get something maybe similar. It's like that. It's that OG clap. Medicine was on it. They also got like a little drop sound on it. Bloop, bloop. We got a lot of different hi-hats going on, but the first one is we're just gonna get a. Yeah, we do have some blips, so I'm gonna add this as a blip, and we'll come back to that, and then we're gonna just get a straight up. It sounds like an 808 hi-hat going. Yeah, that sounds about right. All right, let's get these going. All right, so they have an open hi-hat over here, so I'm going to steal that. Let's come in here, grab that. That might work. That might even work. Now, let's just have fun. Actually, let's do some other hats. With those other hats and stuff, sometimes I'll just grab some sort of a top line or like a hi-hat loop from somewhere else, and then just throw it in there and see if we can get something going there. So let's see. Maybe go like 130. That could work. Cool, so let's see what we got going on. We're getting there. We're definitely getting there. This is what we have so far. So I'm going to find a sample and come back and we're going to get into it. All right, y'all, I'm back and I got some guitars and I got some vocals and we're going to make this a completely different thing. So this is what I mean. You change the track, you make it your own. This is their version. It's gonna be a much more trap vibe, which I think is cool. But I found these guitars that I thought were really cool and they're soulful. So this is the vibe I'm gonna go for. And so that sounds a little weird that I'm cutting those off, but I want to add some reverb and some effects to kind of give it more of a vibe. So I'm gonna come in here and retro color these out first of all. I'm gonna come in here and drag all the drums off a little bit because I want these to have some bounce. So let's come in here and drag these drums off a little bit, just a little bit. I also think these snares might be good to have a little bit more snare. Like I feel like I want these snares to be a little more slappy. And so this is the way that I do my 808s is I'll come in here to my bass, I'll make a MIDI track, and I figure out what notes my 808s are in from. And then I place it in here like that. Day trip. Do I have any day trip 808s? Swatch. Okay, let's check this out. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's the joint. All right. This is my best 808 pattern, but I think it works, at least for now. And now we're gonna add those vocal chops. That's gonna be a killer right there. Yeah, I think I'm crowding the beat, so I'm gonna actually make a duplicate just so we don't lose those. Then we take all this out, so it's just this. I mixed it down and tracked it out, and I wanted to just show you a couple things in terms of really easy ways to arrange a beat. So I started it just with the guitar and the vocals. And I think what would be cool here is just to start it with just a little bit different song arrangement. And so it's going to have this little intro part. And just again, I take out the drums, all the low end, and all the other snares other than just the main clap. And then that's going to lead into the main hook with everything. And then we'll get into like a regular sort of a verse. And again, I'm going to take out all of the different like snare elements and some of the hi-hats and then just add some back in as we go. So I've taken out this open hat. I've taken out all the snares. And here I switched the kick for the 808, at least for part of it. I mean, I brought the blip back in for the snare as well as these open hi-hats again. We might even drop that out. Hey. Duplicate that out and that's your song. That's more like it. That is in a nutshell how I would kind of go about stealing drums, you repurpose them for yourself, and then you make your own joint out of it. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for checking in as always, and I'll check you on the next one. Peace.